Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, the action can't be completed because the folder or a file is open in another program in Windows 10. Right-click Start button, Run. Type resmon.exe. Click OK. Click CPU tab. Type folder name in associated handles search bar. Right-click End Process. Click End Process. Now try to delete folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.